We're Kseniya and Oleg, four-time U.S. national competitors whose goal is to make Team USA and represent the U.S. at international competitions. We'll share with you what we learn along the way, so let's make this journey together. Hi everyone! Today we're going to be showing you a new skating element. What are we showing up today, Kseniya?
Today we will show you how to do a lunge.
But first, we'd like to thank Diane and Laura for their support of our skating.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go show them. Today we're going to be going over the forward lunge. First off, make sure that you stretched off ice and are ready to do the lunge. If you are unfamiliar with the lunge, you should try doing it off ice without your skates. You could also try doing it while facing and holding onto the boards. Lunges require some flexibility to do well. If you are injured or have flexibility problems, you may consider trying something else until you have healed or have improved your flexibility. Remember, safety first. Press before you push into the lunge. Don't fall into it. Your body weight should be over your skating foot. A common mistake is to leave your body weight in between the skating and the sliding foot. This leads to an unstable lunge. Make sure that you are comfortable with doing 1-foot glides before trying lunges. Many problems with doing lunges usually can be fixed by improving one's edge control. Maintain a solid core and strong arms, but don't be rigid. A common mistake is to be loose with the core. This leads to an unstable lunge. Another mistake is to lean forward with your shoulders over your knee. When doing your lunge, your sliding foot should be behind the skating foot. That is, don't let your sliding foot slide out to the side. The blade of the sliding foot should be off ice. Your back foot slides on your boot. To get up out of the lunge, squeeze your inner thighs and rise over the skating foot. This is easier if you maintain your body weight centered over your skating foot. Don't wait until you run out of speed to get up out of your lunge. Also, don't do the lunge if you don't have any speed. If you stall, you may fall. Don't try to do your lunges on lobes. Instead, do them in a straight line. Lunges on lobes are done with both blades on the ice. And finally, don't look down, as this will negatively affect your lunge. Hey everyone, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and click on the subscribe to subscribe for more videos. Alright, see ya next time!